Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Z James, and this is Z32 Workshop. In this video, we're continuing with the saga of working on my 92 Dodge Stealth RT. I'm trying to diagnose the fuel pump problem. Previously in videos, I needed a new fuel tank, did that, put a new fuel pump in, did that. But I'm still not getting power back to the fuel pump. Car does run, you saw that in the previous video. I made a patch cable, run power directly from the pump all the way to the front battery, and it works. I even tried the bypass circuit that is in the engine bay. Let me point this out to you guys. Underneath here, there is a blue little quarter here. This is, I'll have to put it on the screen right now. James, right there, this is like connection F14. If you put a jumper wire to here to power on that bypasses the relay, which is down in there, which I've got still up, just not being shown, and it gets power to the pump. As you can see, there's the interior here, and the rear trunk has been disassembled so I get more access. The big issue was trying to get to the wiring back here for this guy underneath, which is back here. I just couldn't get in there very well, so I took off a bunch of the surrounding stuff to make that happen. What I have found, and I'll show it to you guys here, get you guys set up the camera. Hopefully you guys can see this guy. What's going on is I have plugged into the power side, or actually I'll do ground, which is the middle plug on this guy on the top. That is ground for the pump, and via checking this, you can see if I come in here, I just made it so I can get in here with a little wire, that's got continuity. And I've checked every one of these plugs except for this guy right here, which is power to it, and that's this spot right here, and I get nothing. It is dead as a doornail. And that is, I'll put the chart up on screen right now so you guys can see it. But there's no power there, and it's in this line. Now, I haven't checked the line going back to the relay from the underside here and this guy yet, because I don't want to break the tab to do it. So what I'm going to do is, my spare fuel tank has a whole nother harness that I picked up that came with it. I've checked it for continuity, it is good. I am gonna currently just bypass this right now and not install it, but put it in to see if I can get power to the pump from the key. So let's go ahead and do that and see what's going on. So this should be time warp, because this won't be very much. So 3, 2, 1, time warp. Alright, let's do power. Let's try it again. Helps you to have the relay in. So, patch cable in here. Nope, nothing. That's weird. You guys hear that? Something else is going crazy bonkers right now. The air outlet control valve is going bonkers right now. So something is wrong with that wiring, because this shouldn't be powering that. So probably not resolved. So, partial problem fixed. As in, get a deadline on this guy, gotta swap this out. Put this one in. I don't know why, because the schematics shouldn't show it. I've got a feeling there's another wiring problem. This is frustrating. Because the air idle control valve was making all the noise. And using the jumper here shouldn't allow that to happen. Because that should be just bypassing the relay for the fuel pump. That should be giving power on the fuel pump. And if I'm smart, I'll put the chart up right now to show that. So we have to do some editing, James. That's frustrating. Let me go check something here real fast and show you guys. This is also probably explains why the air idle control valve is going bonkers. Air idle control valve, here's a spare throttle body that came with it. Goes right there in the throttle body in the front. This here is for heating and cooling to get the throttle body warmed up. Adjustments, throttle position sensor, set screw, throttle cable, and then that. So, one problem solved. I think I got I won't say a solution, but I understand more what's going on and other stuff. The other thing I still need to check is continuity from here to the front to the relay. There is another connector in between this spot here and up front, and it's in the door. Well, I wouldn't say door. The schematic shows it in this area of the car. So I'm gonna have to tear that apart to check continuity on the line. So, like I said, one problem solved, another one partially figured out. I mean, it isn't fixed yet. I kind of was hoping I could get this done to get it going, because I gotta get this thing out of here yet this winter. All right, so yeah, by the way, in the interior panels, not that hard. Just take your time, look around for any screws. I didn't really look at anything, I just kind of did it myself. The issue I have with my panels is the tray that plugs in on that side. One of the trim pieces had screws had rusted severely, and I had to use a reverse bit to get it to come out. I destroyed it getting out. So, and then you just took the tray out so I get that screw out, so I could take this panel out so I can get my hand back into there to get to that plug. So yeah, frustrating as frustrating can be. Still haven't eliminated the fact that the relay could be bad on top of this. I just can't believe this car ran. I don't know why the wire's messed up. I had to get that old loom out and see what's going on top of that. And then put the new one in. And then check the line continuity up to the next connector. So chasing problems one way or the other. So, all right, peace out, guys. Please like and subscribe if every little bit helps. The channel, trying to march my way to getting monetized, any of that stuff. And I do apologize for the PT videos. Those didn't do well. That's fine. I just wanted to show people some of that stuff when other cars have to do it, because life is what it is. All right, take care, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.